In this video, we will learn how to use the Perfect Placement Kit for Children's Wearables by Dime. The Children's Perfect Placement Kit will help you achieve professional placement without measuring. This kit contains templates, placement stickers, a set of instructions with color illustrations, and 2 free embroidery alphabet. To achieve perfect placement with the Perfect Placement Kit for Children's Wearables, you'll first place the item on a flat surface. Next, set the matching template on your item. Third, slide a target sticker in the opening of your template. And lastly, remove your template and hoop your item. Let's see the Perfect Placement Kit in action. I have my item I want to embroider. I've already folded it in half and marked the center. I have my matching item template and my target stickers to mark my item. I'm going to take my template, place it on my item, aligning the center mark with the center mark on my template. Take one of my target stickers and place in the opening, aligning the vertical and horizontal marks. And I am ready to hoop and embroider my item. Let's see how to mark a diaper cover with the Perfect Placement Kit for Children's Wearables. I already have found the center of my diaper cover. I have my matching template and my target stickers. I'll take my template, place it over the item, aligning my center mark with the center line on the template. Now use one of your target stickers to mark the opening, aligning the vertical and horizontal lines with the marks on your target sticker. Now I'm ready to embroider.